My new mailbox, man. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Some drunk dude run over my mailbox. Oh, Brian did. That's my new mailbox. It's just where I had it all on like 4 video cameras. No lights on, nothing. Just ran right over it. So it's my new mailbox. I appreciate it. Yeah, have a good night.
We're back here in the SCSR compound, and as you guys just saw, the FedEx guy saved my life and delivered this lovely package to us so we can get a new mailbox put in. So this is the customizable mailbox from Amazon. There'll be a link in the description to this guy. Looks like it kind of halfway is opened up, but I'm sure it's fine. Now we're gonna take a look at this today, guys, on Supercar Street Racing, because this is going to have to go in as my new mailbox since the other one got destroyed by a drunk person. That video is available, and I will put a link to that also in the description, but let's get started with this guy right now. This mailbox is over $200 on Amazon, so the reason that it is so much is because it is customizable, and it does have supposedly my address on it. And I'll go ahead and dox myself, but it does have my address on it somewhere. Unfortunately, it's not there. Can't put the address on the screen, but it's probably going to end up there anyway because I can't actually hide it the entire time we're doing the project. So this is the Elite from Architectural Mailboxes, and it is black galvanized steel, and I think that's going to look cool. And somewhere there is a sign that hangs on the bottom of this nice post that is going to have the address on it. If you guys want to stalk me, feel free. Honestly, don't care at this point, but yeah, maybe it'll be a welcome addition. So this is the architectural mailbox that is going outside to replace the old one. We will have to figure out getting some concrete in this thing, and I have kind of a little project teaser planned here for this guy that I'm thinking will be a cool video. But yeah, the next step is to get this guy out. This box has the Architectural Mailboxes Elite galvanized steel mailbox inside of it. And I had a plan to open it right in front of you, but of course, I've got the selfie stick here. So there is the mailbox itself, looking so fly. And that just mounts right on top of the post here. And I'm assuming screws right into the post. You can see this has the screw holes in it already. And I already gave up my address there on the screen, so I'm not that worried about it. But here is the mailbox. And I'm sure it has all of the accessories needed to mount it. Trying to get it out of the actual box here so you guys can look at it. And there it actually is in its entire glory, and it did come damaged. There is a little dent right there. It's actually a little like metal thing. I'm not that worried about it though. Honestly, it's whatever. It's towards the back. And that's what the thing looks like in its glory, sitting there in the Supercar Street Racing living room next to the Shamar Bridges mini bike. And then in here, there's some other stuff inside this box. I don't know what it's in. Okay, it says the base on it. So, sitting here filming my address the whole time. There's another box right here, not sure what's in it. Let's go ahead and grab the SCSR official box opener, which is a steak knife, and get this guy opened up. Took a look at the instruction manual here. This mailbox has to be 41 to 45 inches off the ground. So think about that. That is 4 feet maximum off the ground, and this post has got to be, well, actually, let's grab our tape measure and measure it. All right, guys, how long is this post? All right, it's only 6 feet. So if we put the mailbox 4 feet off the ground, we have to go 2 feet deep or chop the post. So we'll figure that out once we get outside. We'll go ahead and see how deep our hole is. Our hole is probably 2 feet, which would put this 4 feet off the ground, which is not bad. We could dig a little more out without chopping the post, but I'm really hyped about being able to fill the post up with concrete because people keep running over my mailbox and it sucks.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, now I'll find you in my dreams.
Okay, so they were up here on the very top, and I had to go all the way down here.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, now I'll find you in my dreams. I'll find you in my walking in the I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality.
All right, guys, we have our new mailbox here. Someone stole all my pavers last night. Really, really crappy night. So I'm going to be looking for somebody with a intent to cause harm. Typical mailbox height is 41 to 45 inches is what I'm reading on my instruction manual here. So I just dug the post out just a little bit more. And basically 41 to 45 is right about here in the ground. This post is way taller than that. Even if we get to 45, yeah, let's see. So I'm also going to put some concrete inside of the post to strengthen it up. So I've got a Dixie cup here, and I'm just going to put concrete in, test the level, put a little water in, put more concrete in, test the level, etc., etc. All right, guys, we have our mailbox post cemented in, and the next step is to slide in our support rail, just like that. And then there's a key right here. All right, the next step here is to screw the mounting plate onto the mailbox. So it says that they provide screws, and they are supposed to be 2 1/4 inch stainless steel. Let's see what we got. Welcome back once again, and you guys saw what happened in the video. We ordered a new custom mailbox from Amazon. We went and got a lot of stuff for that project and the next project, and then we replaced our mailbox. And what you're looking at right here on the screen is that replacement from the Forever Products company. And you saw on the video, like I'll put it in the description, someone ran directly over my mailbox with no headlights on. They swung wide, hit my mailbox, and then took off. And in this video, I went and bought a bunch of pavers to re-landscape the area, and those got stolen on video night before last. So anyway, this is the Forever Products customizable mailbox. It is $209 on Amazon. And what you do is you order it based on your preference for a custom plate, and you can get your number on there, and also if you want your name, you can get that and your actual street. So I got just my street and my number on mine. Now my only complaint about this mailbox is that it has an issue with the sign hooks. The hooks that hold on the sign are too big for the actual holes in the sign, so I bent my sign. I put my hooks in and I bent my sign down to make this thing work. You could probably just drill the sign out a little bit more, but it does not come ready to go. That is my only complaint. Other than that, it looks awesome. It's super easy to install, and you can see we did get the concrete going in there. We concreted into the ground, and then we concreted also in the post. And if you really want to, you can put a 4x4 post inside of the vinyl post, but the concrete is just as good. Guys, this thing has a 4.7 star rating. Go ahead and pick one up, and please click through my link in the description when you order anything from Amazon. Not just this, click any of my links in any of my videos when you order products, and that gives me a little bit of money for the channel, because we do lose money on the channel. Now, I'm so happy you joined us today. We got another big project coming up, and I will be editing that also today for hours. So please like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time on the channel.